That is just like nothing I've ever done in my entire life. Right guys, so I've just checked into my room. Right now I'm in LA, in Santa Monica. I'm in LA for now, but that's only for a short while because tomorrow morning we get on another plane and heading to Utah for the rest of the weekend. At this point you're almost definitely thinking, what am I doing? Why am I here? And I will explain. Maybe this will give you a little clue. Any ideas? Any ideas? Any ideas? I mean, you've probably got it. It's a Land Rover trip. I'm here in America with Land Rover. We're heading to Utah, into the desert tomorrow for the rest of the weekend to drive the new Discovery in some proper off-road environments. But we've got to get there first. And I know what that means. You don't yet, but you will do. But for now, I'm going to get some sleep because I haven't slept in about 24 hours. I've been up for 24 hours. I didn't sleep on the plane deliberately because I wanted to sort of be as tired as I could, get to sleep and try and beat jet lag. So that's my aim. We'll see if it works in the morning. 20 past 6 in the morning, time to get over some jet lag, do a little bit of running, maybe check out the Santa Monica pier. Let's do this. Yes, Santa Monica pier. Gladiators, are you ready? Come on, Robbie, I see you. Decent run along the beach and along the pier, then kind of halfway towards Venice Beach. Definitely feel a bit more alive and awake. Now I need to shower up and get ready to go to Utah. In the meantime, enjoy this time lapse. So we've just got onto this Land Rover private charter to get us to Utah, and apparently this was the plane that the Rolling Stones used to use when they toured around the world. How cool is that? Welcome to Utah, guys. Now, we just got off the charter, but I've been saving this little bit of information for this part of the video because Utah is probably quite in the middle of nowhere, and where we're going is very much in the middle of nowhere, and I'm talking like hours or anything else. So in order to get there, we have the small matter of a little helicopter ride, which I am so excited for. Lovely stuff. How incredible was that? That is just like nothing I've ever done in my entire life. These are the bad boys we're going to be driving for the rest of the weekend. I don't know which one I'm going to get yet, but honestly I'll take any of them. They all look great. I'd love an orange one though. So lunch is all done now and we're going to get in our car. This is the car that Rory and I are going to have for the next few hours, driving to the place where we're going to stay tonight. I think that's where we're going next. I've partnered up with Rory. Now you may recognise this face. This space was present in the last Land Rover video when we went to Courchevel, didn't we?
Yeah, that's right.
We had the Vogue convertible in the snow. And I'm with Rory. This is our last drive, isn't it?
Hey guys.
This is a kind of a sad moment.
Yeah, it's a sad moment, yeah.
But, I mean, it can't be too sad because look where we are. That was a decent weekend, but I think this is going to top it. I mean, is it fair to say it already has with the helicopter?
So. A helicopter ride over Zion National Park is hard to top, so this is going to have to be pretty special.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Have a look at that for a rear view mirror view. That is mad. What we've got coming up next is some serious off-roading. I'm glad they've got cameras there.
To watch me fail. What are we gonna go over?
I'm so glad you're sitting on that side.
Oh my God.
I am holding on for everything in my life.
Keep going. Very good. Straight. Keep going. Rolling forward.
Alright guys, so fast forward a few hours and I'm back in the room. We had some dinner and I'm just shattered. I'm ready to sleep. I'm so tired. Getting up early to do the run obviously, and obviously get the flight wasn't going to help my tiredness, and it obviously hasn't, and I had a really full day today. I mean, the helicopter flight over all of the national park and the canyons was just amazing. The driving today was incredible. And we're only one day into the trip. We've got 2 more days of an action-packed itinerary. And that's where I'm going to leave the video, and I'll catch up with you on the next video, which will be tomorrow. If you liked the video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up and also commenting on which bits you liked and that sort of thing. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video.